Warm good morning, Karimnagar. Welcome to Aros Hospital, Fertility Hospital, and Surabhi Hospital, which is being organized and managed by Dr. Jokkani Tirupati and his beloved best of Chandana Bala. From today onwards, Dr. Tirupati MD is going to available in this premises only. You can see this is a very center point, Court Chaurasta, just beside court building. This is really a marvelous opportunity to all my beloved friends. I hope you can utilize this wonderful services. From now onwards, Tirupati Jokkani is going to available in this wonderful premises. Really, this is absolutely constructed based on modern technology, going to give the best services to the citizen of Karimnagar as well as Adilabad. I can utilize this one in marvelous way. Tirupati is going to available today onwards from this hospital only is going to render his services. This is really marvelous. This is the construction of Tirupati Jokkani. This is outstanding services is going to available. Just you can see here, corporate look sir has given over here. This is a more or less for the sake of your services from Mr. Tirupati and Chandana Bala. I would like to keep in your notice just a wonderful location. You can see here Aros Fertility, absolutely corporate look. Not only corporate look, you know very well. Our Dr. Tirupati is a known personality and outstanding subject he possesses. From the beginning onwards, he is giving outstanding services for the welfare of Karimnagar citizens. So it's my duty to keep in your notice. That's the reason I would like to capture all these things. This is a wedding hall. Just you see by watching this one, you can assess what equipments have been located over here. I think definitely together, both wife and husband look like Shiva Parvati, Lakshmi Venkateshwara Swami. Together they decide to give their services from this particular venue. I hope you can utilize the service in proper way. Dr. Tirupati is our own family, own personality, you know very well. I hope definitely he is going to give the best. Especially I would like to keep in your notice Chandana Bala MS Sobiji, absolutely specialization in infertility specialist. I hope those who are expecting to be blessed with their children, yes, you can step into this hospital, will be blessed in proper way. I hope this is a wonderful atmosphere has been located over here. Even the infrastructure, even the equipments also well designed, updated information. So has given over here. This is a outstanding hospital going to give the best services to you. I hope please visit and make others to visit this hospital for the sake of best services. Thank you one and all. I extend my warm congratulations to Mr. Tirupati Jokkani because of his great initiation. Absolutely, I appreciate you, sir. Definitely, the time definitely will bless you like anything else. Heartily congratulations. Wow, this is a very near to Karimnagar Court Chaurasta, walkable distance. You need not bother. You need not to engage any auto here. Just 100 meters away from Court Chaurasta. This leads to Jagitial Way. You can see here. Yeah, absolutely center point to the visitors, center point to the patients. This is an outstanding construction. I hope both are going to give the best service for our welfare of us. I extend my heartiest congratulations. Wish you all the best. I hope all our beloved friends can extend their helping hand and make it a grand success, keeping the notice of the public. Have a great time.